Hello, Mr. Check. Hello. Check.
That's right. The first love, yeah. Your every breath that I take, your every step I make. I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do. And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you belong to me, my last love. I'll be your fool for you. I'm sure. Oh, you know I'll turn mine. Oh, you know mine. And yes, you'll be the only one. Oh, you know I'll turn mine. Oh, you know I'll turn mine. And yes, you'll be the only one. Oh, no, I can't deny. Never have inside, and I'll give it all to you.
Thank you very much, Hazel, oh. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Anong pangalan mo ulit? Hazel.
Hazel po.
Hazel. Taga saan si Hazel?
Taga-sulok po sa Nicolas.
Kaya pala familiar ka sa akin. May kapatid ako nun eh. So, anong pinagkakabalahan natin ngayon?
Wala po.
Wala kang pinagkakabalahan? Wala kang trabaho? Hindi ka nag-aaral?
Actually, I stopped studying due to the sacrificing myself because my sister have to let her finish first her study and then after that I will follow them to pursue my my study.
Okay, ito turn over na kita kasi
Hello,
Sir
good
Jory.
evening
Sir
po.
Jory.
Yeah. So, tatanungin ko si Engineer Santos. Mukhang nag-enjoy kasi siya.
Hi, hello, engineer.
Actually, favorite ko yung kantang yun.
Thank you po.
Mahirap yung ginawa mo. Paikot-ikot ka. Inaalala ko lang kanina, baka matumba ka sa kakikot mo eh. But you did good. You did good.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
How about you, Doc Ryan?
Hello?
Magaling yung pag-deliver mo ng mga diction and then yung pag yung high notes talagang hindi masakit sa tenga na pakinggan.
Thank you po.
Nag-enjoy ako.
Thank you. Thank you po.
So, gusto kong tanungin si former mayor of Masantol, si Mr. Rudy Ignacio. Ano po masasabi niyo sa performance po ni Hazel?
Sasabi ko, the best.
Yung the best.
Thank you po. Hazel, may gusto kong sabihin?
Thank you po. Gusto ko po sana magpasalamat sa mga sumuporta sa akin, lalo-lalo ng mga gay community ng Masantol. Hello! Hello, tsaka, and I would like to dedicate this song to my partner. Actually, he's watching right there.
Oh.
Ben, this is for you. No matter what happened, win or loss, I will be fight, Ben. For you, I will. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you, Hazel.
Hazel.
Good luck.